Hello everyone, this is Tasia from Linbay Machinery. Today I would like to introduce to you this unistruct roll forming machine. The thickness of the profile is 1 to 1.2 millimeters, and this machine particularly can produce special sizes with 31 millimeters times 70 millimeters and 31 millimeters times 31 millimeters and 31 millimeters times 37 millimeters. And on the profiles, besides the punch holes, you can also see the marking and the logo embossing on the profile, which are achieved by the punch press. The speed of the whole production line can achieve 15 meters per minute. So if you are interested, keep watching. First, we have the decoiler and the leveling machine. On the decoiler, we have the press arm. The press arm can hold down the steel coil, which can... First, we have the decoiler and the leveling machine, and we can see the press arm on the decoiler. The press arm can hold down the steel coil to prevent it from injuring the workers, and we can see the retainers on the decoiler, which can also secure the position of the steel coil. And besides the decoiler, we also have a leveler. After leveling, the steel coil can be flatter, which is very necessary for the punch press process because the steel coil can release the internal stress. Next to the decoiler and the leveler, this is a 33-ton pneumatic punch press from Yangli. Yangli is a big brand. Yangli has service points worldwide, so customers don't have to worry about the after-sales service. And this is a servo feeder. The servo motor can ensure the high speed and the accurate punching position. In this punch press, we need 3 sets of molds because one size requires 1 set of molds. And these molds, besides punching holes on the profiles, they can also punch markings, logos, and numbers. Now let's move on to the feeding part of the roll forming machine. We can see 4 hand wheels in this section, and we can use these hand wheels to adjust the width of the feeding part, so we can produce 3 different sizes of the unistructs. This machine uses the structure of cast iron support and chain drive transmission, which is very stable and robust design, enhancing the high efficiency of the production line. Inside the machine, there are many guide rollers, which can ensure the steel strip always stays centered, and all the rollers are chrome-plated to prevent rust and corrosion, which is very durable. And on this machine, we adjust the profile height by changing the positions of the spacers to achieve the production of 3 different sizes. We use this roller to shape teeth on the profiles, and it's very precise. This is an encoder used to measure the length of the profile for precise cutting. This is a straightening head used to ensure the straightness of the profile. The straightening head is necessary when producing longer profiles. This is a sensor photoelectric and also can use to measure the length of the profiles. Finally, we come to the hydraulic flying cutting section. In this section, the flying system can greatly improve the speed, and all the profiles produced by this machine are burr-free due to the precision blades. One size requires one set of blades, so totally here we need three pair of blades. The language on the control cabinet and the language on the instruction manual can be customized by the customer's preference, and we also have engineers dedicated to the after-sales support. So if you are interested in our roll forming machine, please contact us using the information in the top right corner.